So before we had EasyVet and VetRadar, we had a different computer system, which was quite a difficult system to work with. A lot of time and effort went going between different pages and back, and nothing really flowed really well. And then out in surgery and in a hospital, it was all just paper.
I guess like all practices, the struggle is always to try to keep the workflow organised and know just where everything is up to at any given point. Like everybody else, we had a couple of whiteboards, but that was here, the pets are in the wards, and there was a sort of lag phase of, hey, who was doing what and what had been done to whom.
Having EasyVet and VetRadar, where we have a tablet in each area, we take the notes, give medication, tick it on there, and it goes straight through. And then on the big board out the back in the surgery, it shows where we're up to in the surgery too. Definitely syncs up really well.
I mean, on the wall behind me are lots of dose charts, but now plug in a weight, you've got your predetermined dose rate, boom, away you go, here's what you're going to do.
I really like the anaesthetic monitoring sheet. It can be tailored to how you want to have it. So if you want to add capillary refill time or the litre of oxygen, percentage of isoflurane or whichever, you can choose what you want to have available and you can chart it. I think that makes it so much easier to know where the anaesthetic is going, and I really like that.
The nurse is right there in the theatre, monitoring's there, real time, it's on the computer. The vet nurse out the front can be saying, yes, Fluffy's still in surgery, I can see things are going stably, heart rate's good, everything is available to everybody in the clinic at that one time, and there's no double entry, no scope of getting it wrong, the pricing's done at the same time.
You don't have to go and talk to everyone manually, so I have time to send a quick memo out, send a communication, write up my notes really quickly. It's all there, everyone's accessing it really easily, and I can get out of the building and pick up my two little kids from school. It's great.
And it's all integrated, hand in glove, same companies involved in their evolution and continued development, which is going on apace. I can see limitless potential.